Did you know that eating just one simple, everyday food before 8 o'clock a.m. can actually delay the aging of your leg muscles by up to 10 years? And no, this isn't about expensive supplements or prescription medications. It's not some secret herbal pill either. It's a common, often overlooked breakfast foods, something most people have seen hundreds of times, but usually skip right past every morning without a second thought. But according to the latest scientific findings, this one item could help adults over 60 maintain their leg strength, improve their balance, reduce painful leg cramps at night, and even lower the risk of losing leg muscle by up to 72%. That's right, 72%. This isn't just about discomfort or stiffness. We're talking about the quiet epidemic of sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle that's silently forcing millions of older adults into walkers and eventually full-time care. The sad part, most people don't even realize it's happening until it's too late. Even worse, they might be unknowingly making the problem worse by eating the wrong breakfast or skipping it entirely. So let me ask you honestly, are you unintentionally weakening your legs every morning simply because you're missing this one powerful food? Stick with me through this video, because I'm going to reveal exactly what this food is and walk you through 5 simple breakfast strategies that have helped thousands of seniors rebuild strength, regain mobility, and live more independently. And the final food on the list? It may shock you. It's not a protein shake, it's not a fruit smoothie, it's something almost no one talks about. But it works. You see, feeling like your legs are getting weaker every day isn't just a sign of aging. It's a warning signal. A signal that your muscles are starving. And guess what? This process is absolutely reversible. You don't need a gym. You don't need injections or therapy machines. It all starts with one decision. Your first meal of the day. That's what makes this topic so urgent. Why are experts now saying breakfast is the most critical window for adults over 60? Because after 7 to 9 hours of sleep, your body is in a catabolic state. That means it's breaking down muscle to generate energy. And the first muscles to go, the ones in your legs, because they're large, dense, and energy hungry. According to Tufts University, older adults who consumed the right breakfast foods saw up to a 35% increase in leg strength in just 8 weeks. That's nearly like turning the clock back by a decade in terms of balance and mobility. Let me tell you a quick story. David, 69, used to be a construction engineer. For most of his life, he climbed ladders, walked roofs, and hiked trails with ease. But a few years ago, things began to change. His knees started feeling stiff. His feet would sometimes feel numb. Getting out of bed became a cautious, unstable ritual. And one morning, he tripped stepping onto his front porch. That fall shook him not because he was badly hurt, but because it made him realize something deeper was happening. Something he could no longer ignore. After doing some research, David discovered that what he ate in the morning could either protect or destroy his leg strength. He began eating the right foods first thing every day. No more black coffee on an empty stomach. No more skipping breakfast. Just 5 small changes. Within 3 weeks, he noticed real improvement: lighter steps, no more cramps, and better balance. 2 months later, he was walking 2 kilometers every morning with ease. His wife said it was like watching him reclaim his legs in his life. So, what were David's 5 secret breakfast foods? Let's start with the foundation. Eggs. Eggs, especially with the yolk, are rich in leucine, an amino acid that jumpstarts muscle protein synthesis. They also contain vitamin B12, essential for maintaining the myelin sheath around your nerves. That's what allows your brain to communicate clearly with your legs, helping you avoid those dangerous stumbles and wobbles. A study from the University of Illinois that older adults who ate 2 whole eggs daily had significantly better leg function and balance than those who didn't eat. Second is oatmeal topped with chia seeds. Oats offer slow-burning carbs and beta-glucan fiber that stabilizes blood sugar, crucial for muscle recovery. Chia seeds provide omega-3, calcium, magnesium, and potassium. These minerals are the holy grail for seniors dealing with leg cramps and nerve mis. When combined, oats and chia help improve circulation and reduce nighttime leg spasms, making them one of the best breakfasts for anyone over 60. Third is the banana, nature's electrolyte pill. A medium banana contains over 400 milligrams of potassium, which helps regulate muscle contraction and prevent cramping. A Harvard study found that seniors who ate bananas regularly were 33% less likely to suffer leg cramps. But here's a tip. If you have diabetes or kidney issues, opt for a smaller or slightly green banana, which is lower in sugar and higher in resistant starch. Fourth is Greek yogurt, but not the sugar-filled kind. We're talking about plain, high-protein Greek yogurt packed with 17 grams of protein per serving and slow-digesting casein, which prevents overnight muscle breakdown. Probiotics in yogurt improve gut health and nutrient absorption, while calcium and vitamin D support bone strength and muscle coordination. A Dutch study found that older adults who started their day with Greek yogurt had noticeably stronger leg muscles in just 6 weeks. Number 5 is a game changer. Pan-seared salmon or any fatty fish like sardines or mackerel. These are packed with omega-3 salt, which reduce inflammation and improve muscle protein synthesis. In fact, a study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that seniors who ate fatty fish twice a week retained 27% more leg muscle than those who didn't eat. For busy mornings, even a slice of smoked salmon on whole grain toast makes a huge difference. And now, the bonus item, the one almost no one knows about. Steamed sweet potatoes sprinkled with Celtic sea salt. Yes, really. Sweet potatoes are rich in complex carbs and potassium, while Celtic salt provides over 80 trace minerals that help muscle coordination, nerve signals, and electrolyte balance. Eat half a warm sweet potato with a pinch of sea salt. 10 minutes before your main breakfast and you'll notice a difference in energy, circulation, and stability. A French study showed that seniors who did this had 41% better balance and half as many falls within 3 months. But your recovery plan doesn't stop at food. Small morning habits can amplify the benefits. Start with a glass of warm water and a pinch of mineral salt to hydrate and balance your electrolytes. Do 3 minutes of single leg balance exercises to activate stabilizer muscles. Sit up slowly, breathe deeply, and rotate your wrists and ankles before standing. And take 5 minutes to enjoy sunlight boosting vitamin D production for better muscle function and bone health. Lastly, never stay hungry too long after waking. Even half a banana or boiled egg can stop your body from eating away at your muscle reserves. Remember, your legs hold the secret to independence, energy, and freedom. Losing strength isn't just about age, and it's about what we neglect each morning. So here's the challenge. Tomorrow morning, start with just one of these changes. One food, one habit, then do it again the next day. You'll notice less trembling, fewer cramps, more stability. And over time, the strength in your legs and your confidence will return. You're not powerless. You just need to begin. If you could only choose one food tomorrow to protect your legs, what would it be? Share your answer in the comments. It could inspire someone who's just starting this journey. And if this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. Because next time, we're exposing the 3 popular breakfast foods that millions of seniors believe are healthy, but are secretly destroying their leg muscles and draining their energy. Remember, health doesn't begin at the hospital. It begins in your kitchen at 7 o'clock a.m. With your first bite, protect your legs, protect your freedom. You're still living life, so let's live it strong.